In every emergency since Hurricane Harvey, the drone industry has been at the forefront of recovery efforts. Aerial intelligence has proven critically important for first responders during rescue operations. Drones for roofing surveys, utility inspections, communications, and more are now indispensable for recovery and rebuilding. Skydio responds to Hurricane Ian. Drone manufacturers and service providers consistently do their part to assist. Now, US-based drone manufacturer Skydio is stepping up for their enterprise and public safety customers engaged in response efforts for Hurricane Ian, setting up an emergency framework of free support services to keep critical drones in the air. Customers should contact Skydio for details. During the response, they can access a 24/7 emergency support hotline, free advance aircraft replacement, and more. Skydio has sent staff to the region to set up local staging areas to provide replacement drones, accessories, and supplies for customers who need them. The staff in the office is working to make sure that missions continue without interruption. 24/7 Emergency Support Hotline. We have established a 24/7 hotline with support experts standing by to resolve any vehicle flight, feature, or accessory issues affected customers may encounter. That number has been provided directly to affected public safety and enterprise customers. Free advance replacement. If an affected customer's drone is damaged or in need of repair, our customer support team will immediately initiate an overnight advanced replacement free of charge. Access to Skydio Cloud. To make it even easier to capture and quickly share images, Skydio is providing, at no charge, our full suite of software products to our impacted customers for the duration of the local emergency response. This includes the following software products: Skydio Cloud for real-time awareness, includes streaming, 3D scan, and Skydio Autonomy Enterprise, SAE. Spare vehicle staging. Skydio is in the process of staging replacement vehicles, accessories, and supplies within the region that will be readily available at no cost to affected customers in need. Skydio Academy Training. Skydio is also offering temporary free access to Skydio Academy to provide affected customers with comprehensive training on their Skydio system. We are keeping the victims and first responders in the wake of Hurricane Ian in our thoughts. Our teams are doing everything they can to support our pilots on the ground throughout the hard work of rebuilding their communities, says Skydio CEO Adam Bry. If you or your team are impacted by the storm and require support, please contact your account manager or reach out to help@skydio.com.